it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Najeeriii, Bubbie, on the payment plan Riddim. You see me? There's a couple of songs that I haven't reacted to on payment plan Riddim. Just getting around to it. You know, I have my moments, I mean time. That's why I take a long more time. But we're gonna jump in on one and here with the GSA. So let's get it, man. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
Akara!
They are your eyes now. They got your eyes now. Get charged up. No, I'm a shot, but I'm not cut. Boy, you got so big cock us. When the party starts, she wanna ride up. She gets started.
Pull up! Yo!
Yeah.
Pull up! Let's go again!
Najeeriii, hold on, man. Bob, hold on the Bob. Akara!
They are your eyes now.
They got your jazz now.
They are your eyes now. They got your eyes now. Get charged up. No, I'm a shot, but I'm not cut. Boy, you got so big cock us. When the party starts, she wanna ride up. She gets starstruck before we start. Fuck, still holding hand, cause she know I'm last love. So let me tell you something why you. The probably did I look a fast now. You can't tie to me. Nobody live in a lie, Bubbie. You can't leave your heart, me just might do it. One girl do right and pop.
Yo, where you get the old school house here from? Miss them type of house saying, look on the red polish on the ground. Yo, big up again. Moms, what do you think about that one here? Russian, big up.
They are your eyes now.
Take off your jaws, girl.
They are your eyes now.
No, we're never up top.
They got your eyes now. Get charged up. No, I'm a shot, but I'm not cut. Boy, you got so big cock us. When the party starts, she wanna ride up. She gets starstruck before we start. Fuck, still holding hand, cause she know I'm last love. So let me tell you something why you. The probably did I look a fast now. You can't tie to me. Nobody live in a lie, Bubbie. You can't leave your heart, me just might do it. One girl do right and pop out. Try get bitch a fear fight for me. No slut can't be no pride to me. Brother, sticky lad.
No slut can't be right to me.
Leave your heart, me just might do it. One girl do right and pop out. Try get bitch a fear fight for me. No slut can't be no pride to me. Brother, sticky lad and a tight pussy. Hungry time if you call me and when you walk you man bun. I ain't gonna ask so much.
Once the only time if you call me when you want to give a man bun. Apart from that, and nothing if you call me about in a moment. And nothing else if you call me about. Anytime if you call me, or when you want. Yeah, if you don't want no call me. No call me won't.
Pussy. Hungry time if you call me and when you walk you man bun. I ain't gonna ask so much, but you want me love. Unfortunately, me not have enough.
Unfortunately, I just ain't got enough. Not in this life. Try me in the next life. I might have a bit more. I not have none right now.
I don't ask so much, but you want me love. Unfortunately, me not have enough. Damn me dark, you know. She get charged before the dance start, she drunk. Fuck you a couple times, so move on to do. Push your cause so tight if you start me up. When I tell her, say you can't live up. But when no say you rather be a star with us. You can't tie to me. Nobody live in a lie, Bubbie. You can't leave your heart, me just might do it. One girl do right and pop out. Try get bitch a fear fight for me. No slut can't be no pride to me. Brother, sticky large and a tight pussy. Hungry time if you call me and when you walk you man. They got your jazz now. Get charged up. No, I'm a shot, but I'm not cut. Boy, you got so big cock us. When the party starts, she wanna ride up. She gets starstruck before we start. Fuck, still holding hand, cause she know I'm last love. So let me tell you something why you. But probably did I look a fast now.
Akara. Bob that thing, man. Taboo that thing, man. Bubbie, you hear that? Don't call the G and this illness on you, man. You want to go and get a bun. You eat. Yo, what can I say? Najeeriii, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. I love to see how the young artists them link with each other and them a link overall. We see them link up a lot of times together. So we know it's not just a music thing. The DJ them actually par. You see me? It's good to hear Najeeriii in a one different flow. I've heard him in the same flow quite a few times. The flow there, him changing flow, you know. So props to that, bro. Props to that. Yeah, you have a remember, you know, them artists are young in the business now. So once them find them feet and find something that work for them are gonna do it. You see me? So he was getting comfortable in the flow. We basically boss him. So it's now it's good to see him a transition out of the flow there and a show him versatility. You see me? So big up yourself, Najeeriii. Big up yourself, bro. Like me say, we're young in the business, so a long way for go. You see me? So big up yourself, bro. One Bubbie, no man. Yes, man. One Bubbie, man. Anyway, that flow, yeah, when I'm chatting as well, we can understand him more than drunk up on them tear. We can and that is still, see, doesn't can understand him. But yeah, that flow, yeah, when I'm singing and now, I understand him more than the other song. You see me? Yeah. Big up yourself, bro. You put in the work, my fam. I like it. This is what I'm going to want to rush and big up yourself to you, clad, mischievous little Ross, yo. Big up yourself still. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And this is a rip corner.